we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
We're in Morocco! Hi, good morning from Cannes. We are heading further into France today, and we're going to visit a place called Marseille, and then we are going to a place called Nimes, and then we're going to be camping in a place called Camping Oliver. What a beautiful road to ride. Absolute stunning scenery. It's so difficult to concentrate on the road with views like this. So we're just entering the little port of St Tropez, nice little town on the French Riviera. Not sure if you can see the wind, but if you have a look at the sea, that is quite extreme weather.
We don't need no more.
So we're leaving the coast for a little bit now. We're heading inland to the wine country.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and
Hey guys, it really helps me out if you can share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for new content.
oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Thanks for joining me again, and see you next time.